Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start with the essentials. Make sure cellular data is on and your carrier plan allows tethering, because the phone forwards internet through that connection. Once done, update iOS and carrier settings to avoid compatibility errors, then restart the iPhone if it feels sluggish. Next, go directly to Settings and tap Personal Hotspot. This opens the controls you need. You'll see a toggle and Wi-Fi password. You'll use these immediately to control access and identify the network on other devices. Now configure how you'll share the connection and why each choice matters. Set a strong Wi-Fi password, at least 8 characters, so strangers can't jump on your network. Decide whether to connect by Wi-Fi for multiple devices, USB for stable speed and charging, or Bluetooth when saving power and limited devices are involved. If older devices have trouble, toggle Maximize Compatibility to improve reliability, but expect slightly reduced performance. This trade-off often fixes legacy Wi-Fi handshake issues. Finish by connecting your other devices. Choose the iPhone's network name and enter the password for Wi-Fi. For USB, plug in and accept the trust prompt, then enable Personal Hotspot. Verify your client shows an IP and internet access. If speed matters, prefer USB. If things go wrong, first toggle the hotspot off and on, then restart both devices and check cellular signal strength, because many issues stem from weak mobile reception. If still broken, reset network settings as a last resort to clear corrupt configs.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.